Hi guys, so I am back with you today with another unboxing. This unboxing, guys, is from a new seller. Her name is Tina. I found her on Instagram at Tina underscore bags. I'm not sure, but I'll leave the link in the description below. But guys, these items, guys, I'm telling you, these are the bomb. I am super excited about these. Oh my god, I can't wait to go in and open these, guys. But um I also order some other stuff from her, but I have not received them yet. But as soon as I receive them, you guys will be the first to know. So this is one of the items that I received from her. Comes into this bag. It's a BURBERRY brand. Guys, we all know these are replicas, but these are the AAA replicas. And guys, I am enjoying them. I'm not lying. All right, so let's get into the bag. Well, I got it wrapped up in like bubble wrap and boxes. So I did take it out of the box and the bubble wrap, so I just have it in this dust bag right now. This is how the dust bag looks. So let's get into it. Okay. Ooh. The dust bag is of good quality. This is it. Very good quality. I really like the dust bag. I'm definitely keeping it. So this is the bag. It's like a small little bucket bag. Have 4 feet at the bottom. The material is like a canvas, not canvas, like a fabric. It's fabric. I don't remember what the name of this fabric is, but it's like a fabric material. You can like wash it if it gets dirty. The bottom part, however, is leather. It comes with a little pouch, and as you can see, the logo is on the pouch. Let's get on to the inside. So to open, you just have this little thing here at the front, so you just slide it down and you open it. Have 2 straps, 2 small straps that you can like hold it like this, and then you have a cross body strap where you wear cross bodied. The straps cannot be removed, so if you're not wearing one or the other, you can like put it on the inside and then close it up. And sorry, there you go. You're not going to see anything. So on the inside now, this is how the inside is looking. It's a pretty decent size. So that's the inside. It's a pretty decent size. You can hold a lot of stuff in this. You can take this to the supermarket. You can take this on vacation. You can take this just on like a regular day out. If you have kids, it could be good for a diaper bag also if you have kids. So I am really liking this one. I am liking the fabric. I like the leather around it, the straps. This is really a pretty one, guys. Tina, you can't do no wrong, girl. This is nice. So all right, for the pouch, you have one zip going across, and this is the inside of the pouch. On the inside there's a card, a little Berber card that it comes with. So this is what it comes with, but this is a nice size, even though it cannot be removed from the bag. But you know, if you're traveling, you can slip your cell phone in here, you can slip your wallet in here. There's so many things you can put in this. This can be like your little feminine products can go in this. So and then you, like, when you put a feminine product inside there, just drop it in there as another little but this is good. I am really liking this bag. I really love it. Can't wait to wear it. So this is, I am not sure of the name of this bag, but I will find it and let you know, guys. This is a beautiful bag. Super excited. Okay, on to the other one. So for this one, this, as you can see, guys, this is a shoebox. So for this one, this is a shoebox. So let's get into the shoebox. It's a Burberry shoe, same seller, Tina. Alright, so this is the inside of the box. They came into these dust bag. Of course, it came into a different box, tape to protect it. And this is all the inside of this box is. You have like a little tissue paper in the bottom and the tag. Alright, so let's get into the shoes. So this is the shoes, guys. It's what do they call this now? Berber boot, short. What do you call this? The short one. Yeah, I think this is a short boot. It's of course leather, well made leather, guys. As you can see, the Berber logo is at the bottom. It opens here. So this is the strap. At the side here, it just opens up like this and you like slide your foot in it. You can wear it like this on the straps can still go around it, or you can close it up and wear it like that with the straps. But this is a beautiful one, guys. I really love this one. Oh my god, this one, I'm telling you guys, I can't wait to wear these items. I'm so happy I found her. Remember, guys, it's Tina from Tina_bags on Instagram, and she is very nice, guys. I didn't have any problem with her. If she didn't have the item, she went and get it for me and make sure that I get exactly what I wanted. I spoke to her like every hour on an hour every minute on the minute, and she never get tired. She's every time I text her, she's always there to reply back. She is a very nice salesperson, and I would recommend her to anyone. Anyone want to get in touch with Tina, get in touch with me and you will get in touch with her. Very nice salesperson. So let's get into the other one. So this is the, let me show you the other foot. There is the other foot, right and left foot. Very well made. It don't feel heavy, and it don't feel, it just feel like the real thing. It just feel sturdy, like you can wear this for years and it won't go out. Oh, wow, I am really excited about these. Can't wait to wear them. So let's get into the other one.